comes in every size, keep wearing that. You ain't playing. You got yourself a new man. That's Kanye's workout plan. I call that baby fat, baby fat. 'Cause you sure look good to me. I think you're so beautiful.
What up, YouTubers? It's me, Busy B, and I'm back with a quick wig review. I am giving all types of Taraji P. Henson and freaking Empire. Lucius. Okay? Like, is this not, like, giving you Taraji right here? Like, this is so her. I am loving this unit. It is by It's A Wig, and it's gorgeous. So, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button so that you can continue to get more units, bringing you and giving you life, giving you the sledge that you need. Hit that subscribe button. All right, let's jump into this unit. So, this is It's A Wig, Annalise. Okay, I got mine in a number 1. Let me get a little closer so y'all can understand. Okay, y'all seeing this? You see this cut? Y'all see the way this is cut? Like, this is so beautiful. Just like the song said, it's so beautiful. Like, oh, I'm so in love with this unit. This is it straight out the box. I haven't done anything. Straight out the freaking box, and it looks so good. It feels so good. Let me see something. Is this human hair, y'all? It is not human hair. But it feels so good. Oh my gosh. Anywho, so let me tell you some deets about this unit. It is a full cap, okay? Full cap. Says you can put heat on it, but you gotta do like low heat. You're gonna have to do no more than 400. It says you could do 350 to 400. It's not a lot of heat, okay? But you can curl it a little bit so that if you wanted to bring, I know a lot of people don't like hair in their eye. So you can bring it back if you need to and rock something like this, you know, so that it's not in your face. Put a little holding spray and you good to go. So you can do that with this unit, but when it's coming across this one auto, okay, Lucius. I am in love with this unit. It doesn't have any combs. So my suggestion is, and I would say it's on the smaller side. It's not like big cap friendly, although I feel like I have a big head. So I would say the best thing to do if you want to make sure it's snug is get you a wig grip and make sure you got that sucker on and throw this unit on and you're good to go. And that's pretty much it. This is the unit. It is giving you all types of freaking life, and the bounceability is just crazy. Like, look how bouncy it is. Do y'all see the bounciness? Loving this unit. I mean, I really do. I really love this unit, you guys. So, let me know what you guys think. Leave me a comment. Hit that like button. And I'll see you later. Bye.